affiliate marketing has changed my life, okay, and how it can also change yours. So if you're watching this video, maybe you have a family, and that's the whole purpose of making this video, okay? I have a family, and one of the things that I always get these questions is, what is the purpose of you doing affiliate marketing? So the reason why is because not only of the money freedom as well, financial freedom, but also because of time freedom, okay? So if you have kids, if you have toddlers, if you have your own family, you know that uh, you need to spend more time with them, right? So the reason why I love affiliate marketing is because I can spend more time with family, I can go on different vacations, and I don't have to ask my boss for a raise or for the time off for vacations, right? That's the main point why I'm doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can take care of my family. Now, as you know, on YouTube you can see so many clickbank gurus, affiliate gurus, make money online gurus talking about uh, Lambos, Bentleys, all that stuff. Yes, all that nice exotic stuff is good. But for me personally, it's about peace, inner peace and freedom. Okay, my thing is not Lambos. Yes, anyone can rent a Lambo, of course. But my thing is traveling the world. Okay, I have been to over 69 countries, almost 70 countries, because of being super affiliate. Because I'm promoting every day different products online. All right. So if you are someone who wants to have more time with for yourself, maybe you are single, maybe you have a family, maybe you want to take care of your spouse, your kid, your children, your parents getting older, right? All these things matter, especially in 2026. Okay, you need someone who's going to actually help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Because let's be honest, if you buy 2,500, 4,000 US dollar course on ClickBank, yes, you get some information, but what you actually need is transformation, kind of leadership, personal relationship in 2026. Because if you're buying the same course that thousands of other students are buying all over the world, what is your advantage? What is your advantage? You can see this, okay? As soon as you see some guru using Instagram ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads to promote their own course or coaching, you will know it's not worth anything. Why? Because it's geared toward masses. Thousands of people buying the same step-by-step course. There is no advantage to you. There is no leverage. Okay? Let me ask you how you can get success in 2026 if you're using some course that is outdated and has AI bots, AI chatbots supporting you. Let me ask you, or ask yourself, when was the last time you were on the phone call, on WhatsApp call with a guru who is selling you that course? Probably never, right? So that's the thing that actually matters in 2026, having an edge, okay? Having someone who can actually help you personally one-on-one. And that's the best thing that can happen to you in 2026. Because if you're on ClickBank or MaxWeb promoting digital products or weight loss products, you have to understand there are low emotional states and also high emotional states audiences, okay? Different audiences, male and female, they have different language patterns. Some females respond to different language, different emotional states than males do. So you have to keep this in mind. Now again, you don't have to learn this yourself because it can take you years or months. Because let's be honest, affiliate marketing, making money online is not about IT or AI. No, it's about human psychology on a deeper level. It's change work. Marketing is nothing else than changing beliefs. And all this is very important. All right. Now, when I work with my students one-on-one over the Zoom call, we set up Google Ads campaign together. Okay. And how it works is usually in the first 2 to 3 days, we are up and running with our funnel, usually quiz funnels, because they tend to work really well once you have someone to show you exactly emotional states of psychology, how functional funnels are set up. We as an affiliate, we are pre-selling, okay? We are not selling products. We are pre-selling on 5 main points. So once you have those 5 points dialed in, you instantly be able, once for all, finally start having ClickBank sales, affiliate sales, okay? Making money online. Simple and easy as that. Once you have a bigger picture, once you step back and have someone show you exactly how to do it one-on-one, all right, by hand holding you in 2026. That's the most important thing. All right, for me, as I said, It's all about taking care of my family. You can see on my Instagram, my YouTube, I always share my travels. Okay, and the reason why, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take action, once you stop making excuses. Okay, because smart people are not making excuses. Smart people are taking action. They're investing in themselves, taking risks, okay, and getting results, sustainable results. Okay, I'm talking about 100, 200, 500 US dollars a day, or even more, with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, without having to show your face on camera, without making any videos. Because with Google, we are not making any videos. We are using text ads. Okay, you type in the Google search console how to lose weight, you'll see different searches show up, and millions of people just like you and me are searching for solutions to their pain and problems. They need a solution. They go on Google, they see your text ad, they buy product. It's simple and easy as that. Once you see the bigger picture, and once you have workable framework, exact fundamental strategy of affiliate marketing in 2026, you can start earning money online. Okay, now how much time investment you need? Usually 20 to 40 minutes a day. Let's say 30 minutes a day once you already have a website up and running. So it takes you 30 minutes a day, maybe morning or evening time. If you're working 9 to 5, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can do beside. If you have an hour a day or 30 minutes a day, you can do this no matter where you live. India, Australia, Europe, US, Canada, doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you can follow simple steps and get it up and running, you can have results in 2026. As you can see of my other YouTube videos, when I work with my students one-on-one over the Zoom call, we set it up together, we get it up and running, and then we move forward. Okay, so if you have a family, if you have kids, you can also do this beside, at least for them. Okay, so you can offer them better school, better education, maybe better vacations. Okay, so it's really important to have some goal and get it up and running as soon as possible, as fast as possible. Okay, because life is too short to wait and procrastinate. If you look left, if you look right, people are making money online. The only reason Google is so big, YouTube is so big, TikTok is so big and huge, it's because people are spending millions on paid ads every single day. Companies, individuals, just like me and you watching this video right now. So if you want to know exactly how to do it one-on-one, let me know. There's my Instagram, my personal WhatsApp number in the description under this video, and also my Facebook Messenger with email. You can reach out to me, but only if you're an action taker, if you're serious and actually want to claim results in 2026.